Over there and over there, okay. Ordered up 100 roses, we the best like blase, blase, on J. Whipping Maseratis on J. Blase, blase, on J. Blase, 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 on J.
Ordered up 100 bottles in the club like blase, 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 blase. Whipping Maserati. Oh, blase, 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 blase. Yeah, yeah. Blase, blase, blase.
Alright, current time is 5:33. It is the day before the storm hits. Going to pick up my friend Chris. We're going to get to some fishing, see if we can't get some fish on this pre-storm bite. I picked up Chris. About to go fish Lake Skittles, see if we can get a good bite going.
Haven't been there in a solid couple months.
Yeah, it's probably changed quite a bit, but we'll catch him. We'll catch him.
See how it is.
Alright, just pulled up to Lake Skittles. About to grab the rods and start catching some fish.
Started from the ground, on that now. I stay with the loud. Can you hear me now? Am I cold? She a centerfold. Put her on a stand.
Chris with the first fish of the day on a crankbait.
Not bad.
Not a bad one. Alright, release.
Ordered up 100 roses, we the best like blase, blase, on J. Whipping Maseratis on J. Blase, blase, on J. Blase, 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 on J.
Ordered up 100 bottles in the club like blase, 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 blase. Whipping Maserati. Oh, blase, blase, blase.
Fish of the day for me. Not a bad one. Really dark. Because it's been in the sun quite a bit. Gotta get a release on this guy.
1-1.
1-1. Alright, leaving the first spot. Lake Skittles didn't really pan out for us as much as we wanted it to. So we're gonna try out another spot that we haven't been to in a while. We each have one.
2 fish here, not that big. I'm gonna go somewhere we can definitely hook into some bigger ones.
I break the bank like an athlete. Shawty crunk drunk, fucking up a new Louboutin. If I let her in my mindset, she might be a trending topic.
Alright, just rolled up to our second spot. We've caught some giant fish out of here. So hopefully we can hook into a big one today.
She got a rider, bust it, pop it, blase, blase. Been spent your rent, and I'm still blowing big faces. Something about them Ben Franklin's making it get naked. Fruit got the juice, you don't need no chaser. Ball on these, I need replacements.
Ordered up 100 roses, we the best like blase, blase, on J. Whipping Maseratis on J. Blase, blase, on J. Blase, 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 blase.
Ordered up 100 bottles in the club like blase, 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 blase. Whipping Maserati. Oh, blase, 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 blase. Yeah.
Sipping out the jug until I feel it in my
Out the
body.
water. Bare hands.
Big ass pucko. Look at that. Caught that with my bare hands. Alright.
Well, I guess that's 2-1.
No, I think they're 3-1. Alright, this spot didn't really pan out. Caught a plucko with my bare hands. That was pretty cool. So right now the score is 2-1. I'm up by 1. And now we're going across the street to the next spot. See if we can catch some fish. Stocked with a bunch of small ones, but still be fun.
up on the roses, we the best like blase, blase, on J. Whipping Maseratis on J. Blase, blase, on J.
Alright, gonna call it quits here. Couldn't catch any more fish. Didn't pan out as well as we wanted it to. Final score was 2-1. I won with the armored catfish caught by hand.
I guess I got the L.
Yeah, he took the L. Some major dubs, some major L's today. But thank you for watching, and if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Blase, 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 blase.
Alright, on our way home. Are you texting and driving right now, dude? What are you doing?